guys, in this video I'm gonna show you top 5 Rubik's Cube in my collection. Number 5 is Mirror Cube. Mirror Cube is like a 3x3 Rubik's Cube, but the goal is not to arrange the colors, but the blocks according to their shape. Very interesting cube and can be completed blindly. Number 4, 2x2x4. 2x2x4 is a cool puzzle. If you don't know how to solve a 3x3 Rubik's Cube, this is a great cube for you. Very interesting shape-shifting cube. It has parity, but it's still in the top 5. Number 3, 3x3x1 spinner. I don't have much to say about this cube, but it's still in a top 3. Really fun cube. It can be a spinner, you can take it anywhere as an anti-stress toy, and it spins smoothly. Second place on my list is Banana Cube. Banana Cube is a very interesting puzzle, primarily because of its banana, and who doesn't love bananas? Then it can change the shape, and it's very cool to have this cube in your collection. That's why it deserves the second place on my list. And first place is 5x5 Rubik's Cube. And finally, my favorite cube, 5x5. Objectively the best cube for solving. It doesn't need 15 minutes like for 7x7 Rubik's Cube, and you doesn't need 20 seconds like for 3x3 Rubik's Cube, but you need perfectly 3 minutes for solve it. Then the cube is just perfect size and interesting patterns can be made on it. It has only one parity, which is very easy to fix, and because of this is in the first place on my list. And that's it. If you disagree with something I said, you are wrong. These are facts verified by a team of experts who awarded me for this contribution to humanity. If you enjoyed in this video, please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And comment.